This message is direct to Dion Osagie. This live video is direct to Dion Osagie. Direct to Dion Osagie. Dion Osagie, you are B1 in short. You are my close friend. You are my close friend because for long I know you. I know you for long years ago, you know. So what I'm trying to tell you, you have been doing good things in Benin, in Edo State, especially Benin. You have been doing good things there, you know. But you are not a small boy because you got to know one thing. Because good is the key. Good thing is the key person. Who you do good for, he will still kill you for the good thing what you do for her. It's like you never get sense, rich like that. You dey do good things to people and at the same time you dey use your mouth wey you take dey eat your shit. You use am dey talk to our monarch anyhow, you know, they talk anyhow. You know, it's not good for you, my guy. It's not good. Deviate from those things what you are doing. It's not good for you. You are a small boy. You are a rat in short. You are a small boy. You too small. You too small. When they go to talk like that. Even waiting your father, your forefather no fit talk. Now you they open your chest, they come and they talk for social media. You know the shame. You are a big fool. In short. You are my friend, but I just want to advise you to deviate from those things what you are doing. It's not good for you, my guy. It's not good for you. Maybe you not come die tiny death. You know? Maybe you not come die quickly. Because you are a small boy. Because there are people that pass you there, you know? How you get money, how much you get? How much you get? Because of what? You are just saying rubbish, you know? You don't get sense. You talk anyhow for Benin there, you know? You don't get sense at all. Know how to talk in social media, my guy. Not everything person they talk on social media. It's like you don't get sense reach there, you know? That's why I come out today and I just give you the little advice, okay? If you like, you take on. If you like, go hang yourself. Okay? Because you be Benin person. I know you right from the one, you know? You know wetin dey happen, wetin dey go on for Benin there. If you dey look for work for palace, go there, they will give you work there to do. Know that you will be using your mouth, they eat your shit, you know? It's not good for you. You are a rat. You are a small boy. You too small when you go to talk anyhow like that. If I dey see you for social media, if I dey see you for media, you go even remain small. If I feel drag you come out for inside my platform, I will drag you come out and kill you. You too small when you go to talk anyhow like that. You too mean, my guy. I don't lie you. You too small. So you need to deviate from those things you are doing. It's not good for you. You get money. How you strong rich? You strong? Who give you which job? Mad boy. My guy, I just give you just little advice this afternoon so that you know how to talk. Not everything person they talk. Before you talk on matter, you need to reason. No be only you want verse pass. No be only you want dey Benin. No be only you want be youth when they there. There are a lot of people there, you know. There are a lot of people there. No be only you want dey there. When you just come out, begin they talk anyhow, they talk anyhow. Who give you, who you be? Who you be? My guy, know how to talk, oh. Know how to talk. Know how to talk. John Osagie. Now they talk to so. Dion Osagie. Now they talk to so. I just come out to just give you this little advice. So if you know, if you hear, you hear. If you know, if you say you don't want to hear, begin to use your mouth, they chop your shit. They chop your shit. You know, you know. As a friend, I just come out to advise you. If you want to take. If you don't want to take, you are on your own. But anything where you see, you will bear them. I just come out to advise you. Now you know, as a friend, I just want to give you this little advice. Okay, you too small. When you go to talk, anyhow. Omonoba is not the president of Nigeria. He's not the governor of Benin. Governor no dey there. Governor no dey there. You need keke napep. Why can't you go and ask? Go and meet governor to buy you keke napep. If you need anything from Omonoba, go inside and ask. Okay, John Osage, I dey tell you now. Okay, you too small. When you go to talk anyhow, my guy, you too small. They use your mouth, they chop your shit. They drink your piece. You want craze? You want me you the craze for Benin there? You want me you the craze for Benin there? I like you. That's why I give you this your advice. So, okay. Yeah. I just like you. You have been doing good things for people. I know. They see you. They do good things for people, you know. But may your good thing where they do, may not come kill you last. Okay? Don't say get they talk to so. So you know how to talk in public. You know how to talk in public, okay? You know how to talk in public. Not everything Matt they talk. Not everything when I see Matt they talk come out. Okay? There are some certain things you swallow your spit. Not everything. If you need keke napep, go meet governor. Meet whatever you want to meet, one-on-one. They will buy you keke napep to use. Okay, John Osage. We me wa gugwana. John Osage me gugwana. Wa le keke napep no afi. We governor. The governor there keke napep no. A time of Oshomole buy cars for many Benin youth. Generally, Edo State youth, they buy cars for people. You know, if you need such a thing like that now, go and meet governor to buy for you. Know that you'll be easy your matter now and they chop your shit. They talking anyhow. You know? Don't wear Ogomagadi, that is why I just advise you so. So you should know how to talk in public, my guy. Okay? Not everything when I see Matt they talk. Okay? Not be only you want be Benin youth. Okay? Not be only you want be Benin youth. So you know how to talk in public. You don't know how to talk. Okay? You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to talk. Not be everything person they talk come out. If person not tell you, me as your friend, that's why I come out to tell you. Okay? Because if I hear today say John Osage see wetin dey happen to am today, so maybe something where you no like dey happen, or wetin people no like dey happen. People they see you now where they talk anyhow like this now, but they never want to tell you because of little thing where they do for people. That is why they don't want to tell you. You know. But I just come out today and tell you as a friend, you know, my guy, you know how to talk in public, not be everything when I see Martin they talk. Especially if you want to talk, not be anything concerning palace. Not be everything when it concern palace, you want to put that your rubbish mouth, my guy. You need to deviate from those things. It's not good for you. Okay? Everybody don't give you this little advice. If you want to hear, you hear. If you don't want to hear, go and hang yourself. Okay? You not a small boy to me. You be small boy to me. I'm born and brought up in Benin. You be small boy to me. You know? So, know how to talk in public. That's why I give you this little advice. And last warning for you, so. I don't want to hear those nonsense again from your mouth. Okay? No be only you want to be youth when they be needed. You know? No be only you want to be the youth when they be needed. You are a rat. So that is what I just want to. That is the little advice I have for you this afternoon. Okay? So you take it like that. Thank you. Many people now they look you. You want to use your hand to go kill yourself. They look you, they clap and they follow you. That is beneath for you. That is beneath for you. Beneath, they go praise you, praise you, praise you, praise you, praise you, praise you, praise you. You go enter where? You go enter inside where? They go close the where? Benin. I'm Benin. I'm Benin. I'm from Benin. Okay? But they want praise you now. Praise you, praise you, praise you, make you enter inside where? Make you use your hand to take kill yourself. By yourself. But you don't get sense. You don't get sense. Because you want to reign. You want to reign. You don't get sense. John Osage, you don't get sense. You want to reign. You want to use one and take kill yourself. You want make you better come out for your mouth, make it kill you. Make your mouth kill you. Abba. You don't get sense. I thought that you are a learning person before. I don't know. In short, I don't know. Saying rubbish like that. You know? When me them way you udingbe ohana. Udingbe. You they look some people now, you look some people who don't use their hand to dig their grave down. You want us also continue like that. You want to dig your grave down. You want to dig your grave down and enter inside the grave, then your enemy will come later bury you. You come later cover the grave. You don't get sense. Now so they take the rain. You want to rain, now so they take the rain. You don't get father, no father born you. No mama born you. You now that you want to carry suffer come from heaven. They may about come give you, about come buy you a keke na pay. You are a mumu man. You are a mumu boy. Idiot. I they hear what they talk. You know they talk well, my guy. You don't get sense. You don't get sense at all. Know how to talk in public, okay? Thank you. They pay me for you, sha. You want to kill yourself by yourself. Pay me for you, Sagi. You want to kill yourself by yourself. You pay me for you. You don't even know where you dey. You dey Benin, you dey make man, they talk. They talk anyhow. On a very good day, you will put your trouser, put your shirt. You will begin to work out, they go for street. You don't know where you dey. Who born you? You won't be small boy, rat. If you be winch, no person give you in the winch. If even you dey fly, no person give you. John Osage, no person give you winch chop. If you dey fly, na person I give you. But the person when he give you the winch chop now, if he resist you. But you know, you yourself now, you no can feel resist your hole. You want to dig grave now, make you enter inside the hole, inside the grave now, and then make your enemy come cover you for inside. You don't get sense. I did say you get sense before. He pay me for you, Sha. Pay me for you, honestly. He pay me for you. You don't get sense. You see? You see, Osage. Osage. You don't get sense, so you know you get sense at all. If you get sense, wait till they talk for your mouth, you know if you talk. If you get sense, you need to dey fear. That's when you get sense, I need the fear. That's when you get sense, I need the fear. You say you don't. You say you know you get sense, you know the fear. You see, say you be mumu. You be mumu. Go and start school. Go and start school. Then they start to lecture you again. They start to teach you again. Then you forget more sense into your head. No get sense at all. Governor, they there, you don't throw man to governor. You throw man to my father. Idiot. You are a mumu. You don't get sense. Idiot. For any, make me forward the message. Make the message reach John Osage before he will kill himself by himself. I beg. People that are watching me now, make me forward this message to John Osage. Make me send that to a platform. Make me send that to a platform so that make it listen to this voice call. So make it listen. Make it use and get sense. Make it use and get more sense. You don't get sense. You want to kill yourself by himself. You want dig grave, make you enter inside. Make you enter inside the grave, make the enemy come bury am. Sharp human being. Because of little thing wey you dey do for there. You dey gaboo for inside village for there. Dey gaboo up and down. Nobody can be like you. You are a mumu boy. You don't get sense. Go and kill yourself. Idiot. Una forward the message to John Osagi before you bury himself by himself. Before you kill himself by himself. Una forward this message to her. Make una fast. Una forward this message to her before you kill himself by himself. Mumu. Each and people, they aid you. They praise you. They want to kill you. They want to kill you. They want to make sure say you enter grave. If you don't die tomorrow, Nana, who you do good for? Who you they buy cigar for? Who you they buy pepper soup for? Who you they buy goat for? Eh? Now no story then. You don't go down. You don't go down. Nothing go even nothing. If you don't maintain yourself, Nana, nothing will do you for life. As you just start to do good things for people, so nothing will do you for life. But now when you not come maintain your mouth, then you say and say you know their life again. One day you know their life again. Small boy. You don't get sense, so go and get sense. Go and get more sense. Go and get more sense. You don't get sense, so John Osagi. Go and get more sense. You don't get sense, so don't get sense at all. He pay me for you. You don't pay me for you. You know? He pay me for you. If I were you now, you don't already talk nonsense. Come out for your mouth. You go any area you for talk those nonsense now. You go beg. May they forgive you. So that good thing what they do for Benin, generally Edo State, so that may you for gain and back. You know, those good things what they do now, may you for gain and back. And they hear a story now, they do good things for people, you know. You're my close friend for a long time ago, you know. But then, this is what you can't do so. You don't call your father, beast. You don't call your mother beast. My guy, you don't die better for your life. They make me the verse more. You know better for you. Now those good things they do so, and I go kill you. Who you do good for, I go kill you put. For the good thing we do for her, he go kill you for that good thing. Like a mumuma. Idiot. Your father did there. Your mother did there. You don't tell them they buy you keke napep. Maybe they use keke napep for Benin. Governor did there. You don't tell governor, maybe the governor buy you keke napep. If you need one, go palace. There are a lot of people there. Thousands of people inside the palace. Walking inside there. You don't get sense. You when you say you be Benin person. When you say you know history of Benin. You don't know anything. You don't even go school. My guy, go lecture. You need more sense, You need more sense. You need more sense. You don't get sense, so. I just make I tell you now, may you no go that away, my close friend, May who you do good for, may you no go kill you for the good thing where they do for them. You know? Because Benin, they do one thing. Benin, they do one thing. They will praise you before you enter grave. If you don't even dare the months, they will see they praise you. Till you fall inside, they will see they praise you. You don't get sense, so. You don't get sense at all, my guy. You don't get sense. Go and beg for people that you insult. Go and beg. Then they forgive you. Maybe for last for life, So you want to come out for governor. You want to come out for governor. You rat. Who want to vote you enter governor? Who want to vote you? John Osagi. Right, Momo boy. You don't even know anything. You don't even know your left and right. Don't even go school. In short, when I see us finish for that Edo State. And see us finish, oh my guy, I don't like you, eh? You don't even reach. You don't what? Maintain just maintain your God sent foundation they go. Okay? That your God sent foundation, they maintain as they go. May for last for you. They maintain as they go, may for last for you. You know? They maintain as they go. Maybe from then on you can't improve. You can't get more things. Join your things so. You know? But this one when you come they dance, they go now, you want to kill yourself, oh my God. I need to tell you, as a close friend, you know. If you say a bad thing, I they tell you so. It concern you, concern me and my God. God when he create the heaven and earth. If not bad thing. If not bad advice, now they advise you so, John Osage. Now you know, now Benin how you dey. Now Benin how you dey. Till you kill yourself, Benin no go rest. And where you dey dance, they go around now, you want to kill yourself. By yourself. Okay? Now you know, you dey pay me for you. You know? You dey join people when they use their mouth, they chop their shit. Eh? You when you say you school for America, you go school for America and so you do this, so you do that. I don't know that you don't even do anything, you don't even know anything. Nothing for you, don't Sagi. My guy, go sleepy. Go relax. Go start nursery school. Go find one nursery school. Start. Even some of your clients for your orphanage home there, they even get sense past you. Don't Sagi, you don't get sense. Learn how to get sense. Learn how to get sense. Learn how to get more sense. Okay. Oh, yo, Sha. Thank you.